Did you notice the culture sentiment spike to plus 0.59? That's significantly above our historical baseline. This kind of momentum, at plus 0.22, indicates that something in the cultural landscape is changing rapidly. With 19 semantic clusters in play, it's clear that various themes are converging, which warrants your attention. Our API returns nuanced insights about cultural sentiment, providing you with actionable data points across multiple dimensions. Imagine using this to enhance your content strategy or tailor marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience's current mindset. This is more than just numbers. It's a window into shifting cultural dynamics. If you want to leverage this data for your projects, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's turn insight into action.